Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, and I'm going to read the remote learning calendar for today. For ELA, which you should be spending about 1 hour on each day, you're going to begin your day by practicing foundations. You're going to watch this video and practice echoing all of the sounds. For your mini lesson, Mrs. Murray is going to talk about comparing and contrasting today, so watch this video. For independent reading, log into Epic and read for 30 minutes, and here are all of your class codes. Here is a read aloud for today. It's If You Give a Pig a Pancake. Ooh, another one of my favorites. In writing, after reading, answer these questions. 1. What happens when you give a mouse a cookie or a pig a pancake? 2. What is similar and what is different about the stories? If you give a mouse a cookie and if you give a pig a pancake. What do you think the solution was to the problems in both stories? Here are some sentence frames to help you out. 1. If you give a blank, then blank. 2. They are the same because they both blank. They are different because blank. The solution was blank. Or try this for Mrs. Gusha or Miss McHugh's ESL students. So click here for some ESL activities. On to math, which you should also be doing for about 1 hour each day. Log in to Extra Math and practice for 15 minutes. Here is a word problem of the day. You have to share your 8 candies with your sister. How many will each of you get? Hint, make sure you get the same amount. Your mini lesson. Yesterday we learned how to divide shapes into shares. Today we'll learn how to divide them into equal parts of halves and fourths or quarters. Watch this video to learn how. Here's an activity. Click on this link here for your activity and then on to science. Continuing with the life cycle of a plant. Listen to the read aloud video below From Seed to Plant by Gail Gibbons. Then draw and label the parts of a flower using the template below. You can also add to your KWL chart from yesterday with anything new you may have learned today. Here's your KWL from yesterday, and that third column is where you put in what you've learned. On to social studies, choosing a captain or leader. Have you ever been on a sports team? If so, was there maybe one player that seemed to lead the team or got to take part in the coin toss to see which team gets to start the game with the possession of the ball? If we were to look at soccer a little bit closer, we would learn that all soccer teams have a team captain. The captain is chosen by either the coach, the players, or a combination of both. A player is voted into the captain position because he or she acts as a leader and has good leadership qualities. Try this. Watch this video about what it takes to be a good team captain. Then try this. Write, draw, or talk about the following using the word bank and examples. I think a good captain should be blank. And here is your word bank. Helpful, hardworking, encouraging, a team player, a leader, positive. I think a good captain should have blank. And here's a word bank. Leadership skills, a good attitude. 3. In addition to a sports team, where else do you think you would find it helpful to have a captain or a leader? Here's an example. Dr. Allen is the leader of our school, and your teacher is the leader in your classroom. Here are some additional activities for the week. I read all of the math enrichment yesterday. I'm going to read Miss Coyle's art projects for the week today. Her first one is make art using materials from nature: grass, sticks, flowers, dirt, etc. Here's something that Miss Coyle made. She made a person with some of those objects. Or two, ask a friend or family member to create art with you. Create a single squiggly line on a piece of paper. Swap papers and turn that scribble into a picture. Interesting. Or three, your core value activity, respect. Create a portrait of someone you respect. All really good art activities for the week. Music activity for the week. One way to make someone feel special is to sing a song to them. Choose a song and sing it for a special person in your life. Some songs you may know are Los Politos, Twinkle Twinkle, Frere Jacques. Try singing it softly, smoothly, and strongly. Which way fits best with the song? For physical activity for the week, click on this link for a jump roping activity. Mr. G has a fourth prep enrichment activity for you. And Miss Lavoie also has a very important fire safety lesson for you that I will read tomorrow. And there's also some mindfulness activities, so you can check those out as well. There are some class times. Today, Mr. Armando and Miss Lawton are having a joint class at 11:30 today, so your links should be in Class Dojo. Lots of work for you to do today. Don't forget to share it all with your teachers, and have a wonderful day.